Hello. This is Steve Mbugua, your intentional encourager. And I want to encourage you in line with the progress you are about to undertake. Probably you want to buy a car, to buy a house, or you want even to start building or rebuilding, or you want to start a certain career path, or you want to pursue a certain course, or to start a family, or whatever you're about to start. I want to encourage you today. Now, I wish you 5 things. Number one, I wish you provision. May God give you provision. Number two, may there be progress. Number three, may there be perfection. Number four, may there be protection. And number five, may there be peak point. May you get to your peak point. So these are the 5 things I wish you. Number one, provision. May God give you divine provision from north, south, east, and west. You will not struggle, you will not strain. Whatever you need, resources, that is money, people, ideas, or whatever it is, opportunities, may there be divine provision. Number two, may there be progress. You, at no point will you have a hold. There will not be stagnation. You grow from glory to glory, from one level to another. You look back and see how faithful God has been. So there will be progress. Number three, there will be perfection. The spirit of excellence will be upon you. Whatever you purpose to do, it will be perfected. If you want to buy a house, a car, things will orchestrate, will align, and everything will be perfect. If you want to start a family, there will be perfection. You get a perfect, the right lady, the right man for that. Whatever it is, there will be perfection. There will be a protection. God will protect you. There will be security. He will cover you up. You will not lose anything. You will not be hurt. You will not be frustrated. Even when you get wealthy, you will not suffer from health problems. There will be protection. And number five, there will be, you'll get to your peak point where you look back and see whatever you desired, there will be more than enough. And our God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above more than what we ask for or desire. So my friend, these 5 things are your portion this year. And as you pursue that progress, number one, there will be provision. Number two, there will be progress. Number three, there will be perfection. Number four, there will be protection. And number five, you'll get to your peak point. So may God bless you. This is your time. This is your season. You are wired for this season. You're equipped for this season. You're anointed for this season. You are blessed for this season. And your life will never, ever be the same again. God bless you. This is Steve Mbugua, your intentional encourager.